guys, so here comes Jay.
Ernie's flying.
Yeah. I'll start my bike just as it starts to come around.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to do it right in front of him.
Okay. Okay, get ready now. Go.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Dale? What? Why? Do you want to go down the other end again? That way if something happens down there, you're down there. And I'm up this end. He's waiting for you, Bailey. Yeah. Install it again.
No, I turned it off.
No, he's going now.
What?
He's going again.
Yeah, I know.
Are you getting into the top gear or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'm doing what you said.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, you're going to have to ride.
Yeah, little one, don't come up.
Hey guys. Goodbye. Him. Well, she's gonna go back. Probably move my bike because he needs to stay on the left.
Shut that door, Dale.
Yeah, I've got him going down and up. See that top part there is very powdery.
So we've got big wheels on yours, yours will be that high.
Yeah, but also since mine is see that you can just catch me. You can just see him going up there. So now you can actually see him coming up. On the camera, you can still see his dust.
Yeah.
There's like more dust on the camera now. You could probably do this tomorrow on camera. You should be right next to your foot. Imagine it's like it was actually be like right next to your foot. It'll sting you. Like you can see him now.
See how it goes.
You can see him now. What?
That was all.
It's quick.
Like this, right?
Yeah.
Not slow down all the way down the place going down slow.
Yeah. When I'm in fourth, I'm like this, and then I'm like, nah, back in. Yeah, that's why it sounds like I'm still in fourth gear, but I'm not.
Okay, one more.
Sometimes
Yep.
it's there too, sometimes I switch to one when I come around that. And then three, I switch there for a bit.
There we go.
He's gonna be on third by that first push there. Yeah. He's gonna be. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.